A visit to the Kapok factory shows the unique process of harvesting and processing kapok seeds. The factory, which has been operating for more than 10 years, showcases the hard work of workers in drying and refining the seeds, which can be turned into low cholesterol cooking oil. The drying process of kapok fruit in our factory, which has been operating for more than 10 years. This video highlights the unique working environment and methods used for drying. Our factory has an important history, having been operating for more than a decade, demonstrating its stability in kapok production. Workers at the factory exhibit unique characteristics and styles, which contribute to a lively and vibrant working atmosphere. The process includes using a tool called seeker for handling the fruit, emphasizing traditional methods intertwined with modern practices in the drying process. The transformation of kapok through processing not only improves its quality but also creates employment opportunities. This illustrates the economic potential of utilizing agricultural byproducts effectively. The simplicity of the machinery designed by local craftsmen emphasizes the importance of innovation in agriculture. This encourages self-sufficiency and enhances local economies.